What am I looking forward to in 2021? The ability to take my wife out to dinner like we used to.
A long tropical vacation.
Being able to go to a concert again in person.
Definitely travel. I miss my friends and family quite a bit.
Spending time with you guys, the Arrow family, live and in person, together, finally.
Taking my grandson to the zoo and watching him enjoy the animals.
Finally going on vacation again when things are back to normal.
What am I looking forward to in 2021? Hugs. I miss them.
An in-person Crowley Webb Arrow Fastener team meeting. From all of your friends at Crowley Webb, Happy New Year.
2021, looking forward to spending more time with friends and family, getting out and doing some of the things that I love that I haven't had the opportunity for the past 10 months.
I'm looking forward to hearing the sounds of Arrow production departments while I'm drinking my morning coffee.
Getting out of the house and spending more time working on projects with my family and my friends.
What are we looking forward to in 2021? Going to the playground together with no worries.